Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I am your fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise, my experience and my knowledge in the area of weight loss, body shaping, emotional well-being, mental health, body transformation, and how does it affect your career, your personal growth, your dating life, and overall well-being as a woman. If you have a struggle in this area, if you want to lose weight, if you want to transform your career, your body, your mental health, I am here to help you out to navigate. You have a free consultation call to book with me. You can choose any time which is available on the calendar. All you need to do, you need to send me a DM, then fill out the Google form and we take from there. In today's video, I want to make you a highly recommendation that this would be really game changer for your well-being, for your health and for your looks. How is the best to drop all the Botox and all injection and pick it up? The lympho drainage massage, lymphatic. If you didn't know what does it mean lympha, we all have lympha in our body. It's very close to the veins. But what is the golden nugget about it? Especially for us, for women, when we goes over the hormonal changes, over the stress, over the menstrual cycles disbalance, our lympha are striking as well. And that's why you may experience a swollen legs, extra cellulite, even a women with thyroid, with the issues with their skin, even acne, even the cellulite, extra weight, and gut health particularly. And there's more and more issues which lymphatic drainage massage can help you out. Even so, the injections and Botox does not deal with all of this. At the other hand, the lymphatic drainage massage is really help you out to figure out these issues. So for example, first of all, what you need to do, you need to find the good therapist, the good masseuse, the good, even there is a name nowadays, a body practitioner who will do a really knowledgeable massage for the lympha. Because when someone is unaware about what does it mean lympha, because sometimes already, even in my experience, already even in some coaching session when I teach others about the lympho drainage massage, I found out that there is in some hospitals doctors offer to cut off lympha, which is absolutely nonsense because it's not possible to cut lympha. It just, they take from you a jackpot for nothing and then your health even go worse. So here the important thing, as usually, you need to find a really good practitioner, the person who know what he or she doing the sessions of massage to move your lymph. So how does it lymph work? It's have a certain points in our body. Basically it's two under our knees, two in the elbows, two here on the neck, then one on the lower back, then one in a pelvic area, and there is smaller ones also in the deeper side of the inner organs. So when your therapist making for you a massage sessions, they are making the flow over of your body with the lympha, with the veins, and all going as a drainage in your body. Because most of the time we are sitting, most of the time even we are sleeping in a shrimp position. I call this shrimp position. Particularly by yoga, they say you need to sleep straight, like a fully open, like in Shavasana. If you practice yoga, you know what it means. If you didn't know what means Shavasana, it's basically you lay down on your back with the legs and hands aside and you sleep all night like this. For many people, they would say it's impossible because they would either have insomnia, either wake up so many times, either screw over the bed many times. But the important aspect, when you move out your lympha properly, you do not have any issues with your sleeping, and then because you sit so much, your lymph gets stuck. There is basically, if I will use more fun language to understand, it's kind of like a traffic jam in your body that stops your lymph, and hence what's happening. You have a blockages, you have a triggers in your body on a physical level, which cause you pain, which cause you inflammation, which cause you swallowing process, which cause you even the difference between the sides, for example, right and left, getting bigger, getting more swollen. The spine also in direction between the right and left of the spine, it's all about lymph. There's so many people with so many diagnoses. Just if you look at the lymph support implementation on a regular basis as a massage therapist in your life, you would see a drastic improvement in your health. You would drop weight because a lymph, when you sort of recharge, when it's even was stuck, because even so, if you are healthy, if you go to the gym, if you eat well, there is still a possibility that your lymph is stuck, because most of the time we are modern human being, we are sitting, and because you sit most of the time, you put one hand on another, you stop lymph. The way you sleep, you stop lymph. The way you sometimes overeat, you stop lymph. The stress is stopping lymph. The way you walk, you sit, you cook, all of the time, if you're unaware about your body, if you do not practice any spiritual practice like yoga, pilates, meditation, you aren't aware about your body position. But when you're aware, you can recognize that the body weight between right and left is different, and again, it's provoking the disbalance of your lymph points. What's happening there? When the lymph get blocked, again, the inflammation, etc. happening. That's why you may also have a triggers for a salty or sweet food. You have a bunch eating habits. You may have also an eating disorders when you feel not enough, when you want to eat more and more and more, you feel that you still hungry. It's all about disbalance in your gut health. Also, lymph drainage massage, the proper one, it's whole body massage. It's not just back, it's not just legs, it's whole body massage session when the therapist should recharge the lymph on all your body, and particularly for your stomach, which goes from your diaphragm, which is between your ribs, all the way to the genitals of your ergon zones. And when it's restarted, and when you go on a regular session for the massage sessions, your eating habits would change. The old poo would be extracted from your digestion, because remember the lesson biology lesson from the school, how many meters we have in our digestion, and then there is always an old poo. So even so, lymphatic drainage massage help you to extract and clean out and reduce the inflammation process, reduce the waist size, reduce the belly or tummy size for yourself, and hence improve your health, improve your well-being, improve how you feel, improve how you eat also, because if you was tend to eat a lot of chips, a lot of snacks, a lot of sweetie stuff, because you have disbalance in your microflora. And when there is a lymph being recharged, especially in your gut, in your stomach, you do not have a tendency to bunch eat this extra sweet or extra salty snacks. You feel at peace, you feel enough after proper meal. Your portion size gets smaller because you feel that it's enough for you. Your digestion gets in size as proper as being created by the nature for you, not how you've been enlarged over the times in your life. And particularly there is a lot of women that struggle with lowering their inner organs, and that is not necessary that they have an extra weight issue where they have extra belly, like there is a name I know as a cupcake tummy. So it's basically not just because you have an extra fat, it's just because you have your inner organs, your lower floor of your organs goes down. So all you need to do with the lymph drainage massage, you get the help and support to put them up. And do not take this abstract that, she's sitting there talking about this massage session, someone will put me back the organs. No, it's not like operation. It's just the proper massage techniques where the person would make the movements over your stomach and put in place your organs. And again, the portion of how you eat, even how often you eat, would get smaller. You will drop your size effortlessly without any extra dietitian. And also the funny thing, you would be naturally be attracted more to a natural ingredients, not to a junk food, fried food, pizza, pasta. Maybe you are more fun about this food, but you would be longing more to the nourishment side, like really vegetables, fruits, colorful food, fresh food, and you would feel that you're nourishing your body, your gut health, and all of the system would be thankful for such a treatment from your side. And then you would see the improvements in your immune system, in your skin health, in your, even if you have some pimples, acne, etc., it would disappear. You would see also the improvements with your posture, because you would see that you are getting more and more straight, that you do not have a triggers in your body, that you have pain, because even there is a lot of people, they suffer with a headache, they suffer with a chronic migraine, they suffer with a chronic back pain. But when you implement these habits like a lymphodrainage massage, when you implement a nourishment over just eating fast, just eat anything that you have, just eating anything that is in your neighborhood, and start exercise, sleep properly, you will see the results on all areas of your life. The way you look, of course, you become more and more sexy and attractive and gorgeous and beautiful. Even so, just the understanding that you do something about which is basically you are not able to see, because for example veins, at least you can see veins on your skin, but the lympha you are not able to see, but you do something for yourself and for your well-being. And even after one session, when there is a good body therapist, the good massagist who will do the lymphatic drainage massage, if it's proper massage, even after one session you would see and feel results. You would feel that you are going through a certain transformation. Either you go to ayahuasca or you experience something heavenly amazing. But if it's not proper, do not repeat. Try to find something genuine, something real, some person who is really healer, and do something to transform yourself. And it's not only replacing BOTOX and injection, it's also help you to save you money on your insurance and on hospitals. And it's not about the only saving money, it's about that it's more pleasant to go to a spa parlor and getting the massage every other week than go on a drastic journey to the hospital and end up there with the operation or with the medication or with a chronic disease. I'm sure you would agree with me that a spa parlor, it's much more pleasant experience, and here you would even enjoy by spending this money. You would enjoy from a session of a massage, you would enjoy from a masseuse therapist who give you massage, because over the time you will get connected also through the conversation, etc., through the energy connection. And it's getting like really, really beautiful results for yourself. And I wish every other person out there in the world know that there is such a power from lymph drainage massage. It's not a BOTOX, it's not a hyaluronic acid, it's not an facelifting, it's not this operation on a gut, on a digestion to make your digestion even smaller, to drop the waist and drop the weight. No, you can do massage. You can choose natural ingredients over just regular food habits that you may have over the time. Even you are 40 years and maybe you all 40 years you eat like rightly and not so rightly. But even so, if you are super healthy, if you do this massage, you will see that you are naturally becoming to longing even to more healthier and better food, and you would long to eat less, not just because you are fasting, not because you follow intermediate fasting, not because you are on diet and you want to drop 5 kilo I don't know, before 1st of June. No, just because you feel yourself as it is. You get yourself to feel more, because most of the time you do not know how your leg feel, because you don't have time while sitting on Instagram. Do you think about how is your leg feeling or what kind of pain you feel? No, but when you go on a regular massage, you kind of meeting up with your body on a different level, and you appreciate your body, and you're grateful for your body, and your body is able to blossom like a flower. So take this tip, take this golden nugget, do your research in your city, in the next city to yours. Maybe your city is not such big, but again, it's not about living in a megapolis. It does not mean that there is quality over quantity. Just find the genuine person who would give you like really, really genuine lympho drainage massage. This is a golden nugget. If you feel that you want to speak more about the massage, about the healing transformation, about the weight loss, and how to choose holistic way of living, feel free to send me a DM. They're all links on my social media down below. We can have a free consultation call that I offer to all of you as a first step towards to transform your life, because I know sometimes it's scary to begin, and we always like we all humans, to begin from next Monday or from 1st of next month. So use this opportunity to book a free consultation call and let's begin, because there's no more time to wait to be the better, the sexier, and the most attractive version of yourself. This is it for this video. See you in the next one.